Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Jaguar XF here on a 2009 plate. What I'm going to be doing today is I've already uploaded a YouTube short for this model of showing you where the bolts are for the headlight. So what I'm doing is I'm removing this headlight for a position lamp, and then I'm removing that headlight for the main dip bulb and like the low beam bulb and the position lamp on that side as well. The bulbs you need is a H7 bulb for a main dip, and the 501s, the little bulbs for the position lamp, parking lamp or side light lamps. That's what you need. The tools you need is a 10mm socket. Now I'm going to show you how to remove it. Now the first screw you've got here, which is this one, so you need to remove that screw. Then you've got another one here. Then if you come around onto the bottom of this, in the arch, there's another screw on the inside here. Okay, so I've loosened this one up because this one was the awkward one. Right, that's out. And then what we do, we'll get this one there. And then wedge your fingers in. To make sure you don't drop the screw, the bolt anywhere. If you do, then you're gonna have trouble finding it. So that's one of them. That there I can't take out, so that's the second one right here. Got that out as well. All I now do is unplug. That's the plug right there for the headlight. Unplug it. I then gently pull the headlight out. So this bit here, which is going to get stuck on the bumper, so all I do, I get it in an angle and then I take it out from there first. Okay, take the whole thing out. So if you did want to replace this is the indicator bulb. If you wanted to replace that's a 581 bulb, and you've got the main dip bulb, which is the H7 bulb. Remember the seals around the cap as well. And then you've got the 4 beam, which is a H7 again. If you did want to replace that, you can do that, but they are quite easy. Just remember how you take the bulb out. That's how you put it back in. You turn it to your left and then pull the whole thing out, push the bulb in, put it back in, and that's it. Now the awkward one is the position lamp, which is right on the inside there. So sometimes you're going to need, like, you may need the nose plier to get to it and then pull it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to wedge my hand in and then see if I can pull the whole thing out, which I did. Okay, that's the bulb we're replacing. It is a 501 bulb. Make sure you don't drop the headlight whatever you do. I've got the bulb here already. Now look at this. It's empty. That is amazing. Now that's the second box from these suppliers which is empty, so I am going to give them a call and tell them, look what's going on. So put that in, drop done, and then we're going to put it back through the hole right on the inside there. So if I slot it in, and that's it, job done. So all we do now is put this back together. Like I said about the seal as well, just make sure the seal is intact, it's in there, which is good. If the seal is missing for any reason, you need to make sure you get one for it, otherwise you'll get condensation. Now to slot the headlight in, you can even take that screw out if you want, but I would leave that in there because it's going to be hard for me to put it back in. But if you do slot it in, all you do is slot it in from this angle first, gently, and then push it in from here. Once you've got it in, you lift this up a little bit, line it up, and that's it, job done. So all you now do is put the screws back together. I'll get that done in a minute because I have to do the other light as well. I'm just going to switch the position lamps on, make sure it's working. Now you can see the position lamp is working. On this side it isn't working yet. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove that one now as well, so we get it done. Right, we're going to do this side now. Same thing again, same procedure. Screw, screw. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to undo this one first. Once I take it out all the way with my hand in there, fingers, get the bolt out, sorry. Put this out here. Oh! Oh my days, what have I done? You know what, I can see that anyway. So I'll use a magnet to get it out. It's just right inside there. But yeah, this is what happens if you're working on your own. So get this one out. And then I'm going to do the inside one here, which you've already seen in the beginning of the video where the screw is. So I'm not going to bother showing you where it is now, but get it out. I'm going to unplug it from the back to make sure that plug there. So I'm going to unplug that. That's it. And then I'm going to pull the headlight out now. So that's the tricky part there. So you've got to get that out first and then pull the whole thing out. That's right in front of you right there. Okay. So what we're doing is we're replacing the main dip bulb, which is right in here, and we're going to do a position lamp as well. So I'm going to need a 501 bulb. So all you now do is you twist that to your left, pull the whole thing out. Just remember how the bulb is sitting. So just remember how the bulb is sitting. So that's how you got to put the new one in as well. So that's the locator right there for the lug right here, yeah? So get the bulb. You can find the link for the bulbs in the description if you did want one. If any reason you found this video useful, please do share it, like it, subscribe to our channel, and also there's a special thanks button. Don't forget to click on that. Alright. That's it, it's all in now. You can see where's the cap going to this? I've got that done. This is done as well. Right, what we've got to do now is do the position lamp on this one, because the position lamp's not working. It's right on the inside there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wedge my hand in there and then try to pull it. Here we go, got it out. You can see the bulb is fused already, it's gone really dark. So take the bulb out and get the new one in, slot the bulb in, and then put it back together. Do the hole right on the inside. Once you line it up, that's it, it clicked. Now remember I said about the seal? You see, I was just about to tell you that the seal is missing, so I'm going to have to let the customer know, but it was stuck onto this bit here. So what you need to do is you need to make sure the seal goes back in. If it doesn't, you'll get condensation and then you'll have problems, and double problems. You'll end up replacing a headlight, which is not good. So I'll put this back in. Now you can see the seal is in now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back. That's it. And then we're going to put the lights, I'm going to put the light back in. I'm not going to screw it in to save us time, but you know how to screw them in anyway. We're going to slot it in first from here in an angle, and then try to get this bit in, yeah? So if I go in a little bit more, get this bit in, that's it. Once I've got that bit in, I pull the headlight back out a little bit. I then line it up onto there, and then on the inside, and then push it in. That's it, job done. So what I'm going to do now, plug it in, make sure the lights are working, but I'll screw that in a bit later. The position lamps are working. The main dip bulbs are working as well now. So no, they're not, because ignition is not on. I'm going to grab the keys. What's that? Right now you can see that's working, the position lamp's working, this is working, and that one's working as well. That's all it is on this particular model. It is quite a long video, so I hope you found this video useful. As you know, we had to remove both of the headlights. There is a YouTube short for it as well, just a quick one. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.